A big construction project's underway. Today I'll show you how to build a house using trucks, how to remotely control huge dozers and dumpers, and how to turn a construction site into a Lego playground. Oh, and I need to introduce you to your new site manager. This is an ordinary house in an ordinary neighborhood, right? Well, yes, except for the fact that it was built by a huge robot and bought with real money by people who are about to move in. For many years, tech companies have been trying to find new ways to build houses faster and more efficiently by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks like bricklaying using robots. Yet this one is truly unique. Hadrian X operates autonomously, reviewing CAD drawings, creating 3D models, and planning its builds efficiently. During its recent project, Hadrian X averaged 150 bricks per hour, with peak speeds reaching 200 bricks per hour, a substantial increase over typical manual rates. Ultimately, it built the walls of a 3-bedroom home in under 4 days. The robot's construction process involves a telescopic robotic boom mounted on a truck, picking up bricks, cutting them if necessary, applying adhesive, and placing them accurately. Hadrian X's use of dynamic stabilization technology ensures stability despite real-time external factors like wind and vibration. Does it sound like a complete success? There are still many things to improve. Hadrian X is limited to laying structural bricks requiring manual labor for face bricks, and its efficiency over long-term usage remains unproven. However, its potential impact on reducing final cost and increasing productivity is promising, with the manufacturer aiming to commercialize the technology through a wall-as-a-service model rather than selling the robot outright. Safety first, that's why it's better to secure yourself when performing tasks at height. That's the main goal of the Fall Protection Anchor by FreeFalcon. One of the standout features of the FreeFalcon is its exceptional range of movement. With a remarkable working radius of up to 32 feet and full 360-degree rotation capability, this anchor gives workers the freedom to maneuver without restrictions, whether in tight corners or wide-open spaces. What truly sets the FreeFalcon apart is its effortless mobility. Thanks to its design, this system can be easily transported using a standard pallet truck, making setup and relocation a breeze. Simply wheel the FreeFalcon into position and get to work, literally. Unlike traditional fall protection systems that require anchoring and extensive pre-planning, the FreeFalcon is ready for action straight out of the box. Just lift it onto site using a 4-load attachment point, and you're good to go. It's that simple. You've constructed the walls, and now it's time to tackle the floors. This involves screeding the concrete, right? I found a great solution for this, the Marshalltown spin screed system. Using a right-angle drill, it spins an aluminum pipe while you push the screed across wet concrete. This method ensures that concrete paste, not water, comes to the surface, resulting in a stronger, more durable finish with a lower water-cement ratio at the top layer of the slab. Spin screed is impressively versatile, working well with wet or low-slump concrete, flat work, or challenging slope pours. It effortlessly levels high spots and fills low spots, leaving you with a remarkably flat and uniform concrete surface. This tool delivers exceptional results with minimal effort for a professional finish. If Spin Screed doesn't meet your needs, consider the Speed Striker by the same manufacturer. It operates similarly, but with a bit different approach, vibrating over concrete to produce a smooth, sturdy surface. The direct drive shaft maximizes surface vibration while minimizing operator discomfort. Its 9-inch hole spacing fits most competitor power screed boards, and handlebars are adjustable for comfort. Despite its power, it's lightweight and easy to transport with a comfortable grip for extended use. Equipped with a durable 4-stroke Honda GX35 engine and direct drive shaft, the Speed Striker is built to last. Floors are done, next is the ceiling, which entails a lot of inconvenience using the scaffold and constantly moving it from one working area to another. The Climb-N-Go improves that routine, eliminating the need to dismount for repositioning. Its powerful electric motor operates with 18 to 21-volt batteries from major brands, but you need to run a quick setup first. One full charge is enough for up to 4,500 feet of travel. Wheels beneath the scaffold enable seamless movement, controlled via a joystick on the guardrail or rung. This innovative design ensures safe elevation navigation across work sites. What's cool is that when you stop, the system automatically locks the wheels. I bet this thing will save you a lot of time. This info might be a surprise to you, but demolition is actually a risky undertaking. So why should you put your crew's safety at risk when it's possible to avoid that? That's why Command for Dozers was invented. This system allows you to remove your operators from the dozer and continue working from safe, nearby, or remote locations. How's this possible? First things first, the Command Kit comes with a whole bunch of components, mode lights, receivers, cameras, microphones, and other necessary items that you need to install onto the dozer. Once installed, there are two ways to control the vehicle, either with a console or a remote operating station. The Command Console enables line-of-sight operation for distances of over 1,300 feet, removing operators from harm's way and keeping them at a safe distance when excavating or dozing. With the console, operators can make precise movements when it matters most, such as in dense urban areas, because they can position themselves to see exactly what the vehicle is doing. Operating stations, on the other hand, are designed for specialized crews that travel from job site to job site, sometimes hundreds of miles apart. The command station eliminates these costly trips and keeps operators close to home, safe and sound. Additionally, the station allows them to switch from one vehicle to another, providing with better control and the same response time as if they were in the cab, maintaining precise control for all dozer applications. Finally, it allows trainers to teach trainees more effectively. When it comes to heavy lifting and earth moving, the Cormidi self-loading track dumper is a game changer. Offering an impressive 1,800 pounds capacity and equipped with a self-loading mechanism, it improves worksite productivity and reduces operator fatigue at the same time. Yep, the dumper is able to load materials without requiring operators to leave the machine. This self-loading mechanism streamlines earth-moving tasks, saving time, effort, and ultimately money. Landscaping, trenching, or general site work, this machine can help you with that. Under the hood, you'll find a robust Honda 13-horsepower petrol engine with electric start. The hydraulic transmission ensures reliability and low maintenance, which is a stark contrast to belt-driven competitors. With a top speed of 3.4 miles per hour and a width of just 33 inches, maneuverability is unparalleled. If you're in the business of roofing, solar installation, or masonry, you know the challenges of getting materials to those hard-to-reach spots. Safety Hoist Company might help with their laddervator. So this thing can lift up to 500 pounds, keeping the material safe and secure, even if that's something sophisticated like a solar panel. I also appreciate the fact that it's possible to modify the safety hoist depending on the type of the material you're about to lift or to put down. No matter the configuration, the hoists are compact, easily fit into your truck, and super easy to install. Your back will thank you. Okay, but what if you're working with solar panels only? The Shuttle lift system effortlessly hoists 2 solar panels simultaneously with a combined weight of up to 130 pounds. Yes, this weight capacity is less compared to the previous hoist, but it's specifically designed for lifting solar panels. The Shuttle comes in 2 parts, the solar set and the carrier set. The solar set is your go-to for swift and secure lifting of those sleek solar panels. No more precarious maneuvers or strained muscles, just smooth, efficient lifting. Thanks to the specially designed frame for solar panels, once you're up, rotate the solar set frame with the panels. The carrier set, on the other hand, is your trusty sidekick for hoisting up to 66 pounds of materials, for example, your toolbox, onto your working platform. It's ergonomic, versatile, and even comes with its own console. If it's not a solar panel but a sheet or a plate and you need to transport it without lifting, this plate roller might be helpful. First things first, thanks to the handles, the roller can be easily carried to the place of use. The support and clamping surfaces are provided with a felt covering to protect the transported materials from damage and slipping. All you need to do is place the plates, or sheets, inside and secure them with the jaws. Once done, you can transport up to 550 pounds without breaking a sweat. When it launched in 2019, Dusty FieldPrinter was a total game changer. The autonomous mobile robot brought blueprints into the real world by drawing chalk outlines on the site's floors, thus eliminating much of the guesswork in a job where accuracy is crucial. Now meet FieldPrinter 2. Just like its predecessor, it features a pair of friendly-looking eyes that conceal a lot of technology behind them. Sensors to avoid obstacles and improve navigation, a wide printhead for printing CAD and CSV data, and more. The compact size of this little robot allows it to move efficiently around obstacles. It can now print closer to edges and even perform shadow printing behind columns. By the way, controlling this 23-pound cutie is easy using an iPad. With this robot, no one will make mistakes anymore. Can a brick tell a story? You might not believe it, but it actually can. A group of enthusiasts managed to narrate the story of Mexico City through a creative adaptation of traditional papercraft, the inventive reuse of recycled wood, and innovative applications of earth and concrete. The result of their work is this pavilion, but its true star is a roof made of 3D printed bricks crafted from tepitate, a local soil rich in clay. First, the team manually created the so-called clay dough, which was then loaded into a large 3D printer. The printer, in turn, created the bricks, which were then dried. Despite their appearance, don't be deceived, they are incredibly sturdy. This technology isn't entirely new. Mexicans have been successfully applying it in the construction of housing communities across Mexico for over 30 years. It's just been reinterpreted with a post-tensioning system that allows for easy assembly and disassembly. I've already shown you how to transport solar panels and sheets, but what if something's bulky? Let's consider bricks. The MULE MZ100 can assist with lifting for any project, whether it's masonry, block, stone, or any other heavy materials. Turn on this machine, adjust the settings on the touchscreen, and ensure the claw has a secure grip. That's it. This Smart Lift Assist effortlessly moves heavy materials from one location to another as if they weigh nothing. Even if something weighs 100 pounds, it'll automatically calibrate the weight. Additionally, the arm can rotate 360 degrees within a 12-foot radius, giving you ample freedom of movement. Finally, this machine can run for up to 32 hours on one charge and can be installed on most mobile equipment and climbing work platforms. Let's transform a construction site into a Lego playground. That's likely what the team at Lock Block Limited had in mind when creating these lock block units. They really do look like Lego pieces. It all began in 1984 when Lock Block revolutionized concrete block retaining wall systems with its patented interlocking key design. After 35 years of proven performance, Lock Block units now boast over 30 various shapes, sizes, and configurations, catering to diverse engineering needs such as building tunnels, barriers, recycling yards, overpasses, temporary bridges, shelters, and more. The advantages of using such a building system are manifold: easy and cost-effective installation, eligibility for LEED credits, and a robust 8-to-1 safety factor in lifting hooks. Additionally, Lock Block units excel in preventing soil erosion along seawalls and dikes, while also serving as effective sound barriers. Have you ever heard of metal web joists? They're a combo of timber cords and pressed metal webs that enhance either your floor or ceiling. This so-called hollowed design allows for easy passage of surfaces like pipework and cabling through the webs without the need for notching or drilling, thus improving efficiency and reducing on-site wastage. Metal web joists are widely used in various buildings, from homes to large structures like hotels, due to their impressive span capabilities, making them a preferred choice for architects and engineers. Unlike I-joists, metal web joists can be customized to accommodate specific service requirements, offering greater flexibility and efficiency in construction.